Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
Evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
Can you tell me the page number, please? We were doing growing up as boys and girls, right?
Ma'am, page number 46.
Um, this chapter we were doing, and I taught you till
Second paragraph after reading.
after reading two examples. This one, right?
Yes,
Example
ma'am.
of 1920s and 1960s example.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, I tell the question or I share the screen?
Nana, you say the question.
Okay. Blank is a natural ecosystem.
Natural ecosystem from geography.
Yes, ma'am.
Then I have to see the chapter, dear. I thought that you have got the question from civics.
No, ma'am, it's from Geography Chapter 1, Environment.
Geography chapter 1, environment. Okay. Today you had your exam.
No, ma'am.
Then
Ma'am, it was on 20.
20. So why didn't you tell me the last class?
Ma'am, our last
At the-
class was, I think so, at
Tuesday. Tuesday.
Ma'am, which
Yes.
page? Ma'am, can you please repeat again which page number and in which subject we have to take out in assessment, history, civics, or which?
So you do not know, you did not attend my last class?
Ma'am, I had attended.
Yes, you were there. I saw you.
Yes, ma'am. So now we have to continue that chapter only.
Obviously, without finishing, how can you skip to other chapter?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So, Dia,
Yes,
I will
yes,
ma'am. Chapter from the first chapter of geography.
Yes, ma'am.
Blank is an ecosystem.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Just only this much. Blank is an ecosystem.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine.
Ma'am, can I say
No,
answer?
ma'am, blank is a natural ecosystem.
Blank is a
Ma'am, can I
natural
try this
ecosystem.
answer, ma'am?
Say yes.
मैम शायद से इसका आंसर नेचुरल एनवायरनमेंट
Nature. हाँ, मुझे भी वही लग रहा था.
Yes, ma'am.
Nature.
Natural environment is a ecosystem, natural ecosystem.
Nature, yes. I think it's nature. I was also
Ma'am,
thinking
it
about
is
nature.
natural environment or nature.
हाँ?
दोनों ही लिख सकते हैं, नेचर और नेचुरल दोनों ही एक ही है.
Okay, ma'am.
नेचुरल भी लिख सकते हैं, नेचुरल एनवायरनमेंट भी लिख सकते हैं.
Now, nature, because one blank is there, so you should write nature.
मैम ब्लैंक के तो चैप्टर में से ही लिया होगा इसी लाइन से.
I'm saying the natural environment you cannot write because there is only one blank. There are not two blanks. So nature is the, I think, correct answer. Still, I have to be confirmed once again. Then I'll tell you. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So please come to this paragraph. So you understood those two examples of 1920s and 60s
Yes, ma'am.
about the discrimination of boys and girls. You remember? I was
Yes,
explaining.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now
Ma'am,
see,
can
we
I
also
read,
know.
ma'am?
Sorry,
Can I read, ma'am?
read.
किधर से मैम?
Read from there. After reading the two examples from there, you read. Start.
Ma'am, we
Page
also
number
realize
56.
56.
read 56 नहीं 46.
Oh, 46, sorry.
Ma'am, we also realize से ma'am.
First you read this paragraph, then you read from after reading the two examples above, you realize that there is from there, this paragraph, the small paragraph.
We also realize that societies make clear distance.
Not from there. You wait, please. I am reading this small paragraph and then you will continue from we also realize. See,
Okay.
after reading the two examples above, we realize that there are many different ways of growing up. Often we think that there is only one way in which children grow up. This is because we are most familiar with our own experiences. If we talk to elders in our family, we will see that their childhoods were probably very different from ours. This one I explained you. I explained this one, that the childhood of all the people are always different from the second generation, next generation. So the previous generation, the childhood of our previous generation, it was different than that of our generation and then that of your generation. So generation to generation, the development and the growing process of all children are always different. Clear? Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So always saying that after reading these two examples, we have come to know that the growing procedure of all children are always different, and the growing procedure, what you have experienced in your life till now, what I have experienced in my life till now, these we have not seen. These growing up process we have not seen, we have not read. Now we have come to know after reading this chapter that there are different procedure, different process and different style of different children, how do they grow up. Okay, so before reading these examples, did you have any experience? Did you have any experience of this procedure of growing up of a child? Did you know before this example? Before
No,
reading
ma'am.
this example,
No,
did
ma'am.
you know about this?
No, ma'am.
That it was like that in 1920s. It was not even 1920s. Now also, even last class also I told you that nowadays, if you go in interior of some villages, you can still experience this type of procedure. You can still experience this type of very cheap mentality. Even now, today's generation I'm talking about, that also you can experience. So anyway, maybe you do not know. So after reading, you come to know that what is actually going on in some places and what had actually already went through in some places. Okay. तो ये पढ़ने के बाद आपको पता चला कि child growing up is not a same procedure what you have done, what you have been through. आप जैसे बड़े हुए हैं, that is not only the single process. There are many other different process which is going on and parents are following, society is following. Isn't it or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now read.
Ma'am, can I read?
मैम मैंने पहले
जो स्टार्ट
can
किया
I
था वो रीड करो. हाँ रीड करो जो जिसने स्टार्ट किया अभी.
We also realize that societies make clear distinctions between boys and girls. This means from a very young age, we are, for example, give different toys to play with. Boys are usually given
See,
cars to play.
I have explained this one also, I think.
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
I said that we have done till we also realized, but you thought that we have not completed it.
Acha, okay. Yes, I was giving the example that why boys cannot play with a doll and why girls cannot play with car.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes, we have done this. So this paragraph, have you understood the
Yes,
difference?
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So let's start from in most societies.
Okay, ma'am.
Read from in most
in-
societies.
In most societies, including our own, the rules men and women play for the work they do are not valued equally. Men and women do not have the same status. Let us look at how this difference exists in work done by men and women.
Yes. So it is saying that in our society, also in our family, in fact, it is said that the work of men and the work of women are always different. But actually, as you are studying right now, as you children are getting lot of knowledge by reading books or getting lot of experiences from the concrete example, so you can understand that there should not be that much of difference in the work between men and women. ऐसा difference नहीं होना चाहिए. All the works can be done by men, all types of work can be done by women. Tell me, is it compulsory that cooking is confined to women only?
No, ma'am.
How
No,
work is
ma'am.
confined to women
No,
only?
ma'am.
No,
Men
ma'am.
cannot
बड़े होटल में भी
Ma'am, in many
Yes,
restaurant
ma'am.
only
Ma'am,
men
Yes.
restaurants are
Chefs are men. Yes, chefs are men
नहीं,
only.
चाय
Correct.
कॉफी बनी है ना, उसमें भी लड़के ही करते हैं मैम का.
Yes. So there are many places, and in fact, men can do all kind of household activities. They can cook also. They can do all other works. They can mop the floor even. They can wash utensils. They can wash clothes. Everything they can do. And yes, women also can do lot of work of men. Can't they do? Is it confined that if the tire gets punctured in a car, that men only know how to change the tire? Women
No,
cannot
ma'am.
learn that.
No,
Women can
No,
of
women
course,
can do.
women can also learn that. They
वुमन भी
can
करती
also
है.
change the tire. Okay. The thing is that you should know. Now just imagine some years back, we never thought that women will drive the car. Women will drive the Activa and everything. But nowadays, at present days, all are equal. All can drive. Even women can fly aeroplane even. Do you know that? They can also become a
Yes,
pilot.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
They
Ma'am,
are-
Kalpana Chawla.
pilot.
Ma'am, Kalpana Chawla.
Yes, yes. So there should be no deviation in work between men and women. There should not be. ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि ये काम लड़कियों का है, ये काम लड़का का, ऐसा नहीं है. हर काम हर किसी का है. Okay. Yes, yes.
मैम जो मिलिट्री में जो फाइटर प्लेन्स चलाते हैं ना, उसमें मोस्ट ऑफ विमेन से होते हैं जो फाइटर
होते हैं. Yes. हाँ.
Yes.
Now see. Okay. Now
Ma'am,
please
can I
read this.
read this
My
story?
mother does not work. My mother does not work.
Ma'am, can I read the story?
Ma'am, can I read the story?
No, not in this way. Please wait one by one. One by one, please read.
Ma'am, Dhwanit, ma'am, can I read?
Ma'am, Dhwanit has
1,
already.
2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are three portions. Three portions we have on this page. So first portion read someone, second portion someone, and third portion someone.
Ma'am, can I read first?
मैम
Ma'am, can I read second?
Ma'am, can I read Jia?
मैम कैन आई रीड फर्स्ट वन?
See, if you're turning your video off, then I do not understand where you're reading, who is reading. I cannot understand anything. So turn the video on.
Ma'am, Jia, can I read?
Who is saying?
Jia, ma'am.
Gia. Okay, read Gia.
Okay, ma'am. My mother does not work. Ma'am, ma'am, we are going on a school excursions. Roisa, ma'am, need volunteers. Can't you take a holiday from office and volunteer?
Stop. Gia, you please pronounce it properly. It is not excursion. ऐसा नहीं होता है. It is excursion. Excursion. What is excursion? Excursion is educational trip. Excursion is called educational trip. Excursion, you can, school also take the children to excursion. Colleges also take the students to excursion, and universities also take the students to excursion. So from any education institutions, if you go for a trip, that is called educational trip or excursion. Okay. Now this is not, what did you say? ROSIE. What did you say this one?
Roise.
Rosie,
Ma'am,
Rosie.
it is Rosie. It is Rosie, ma'am. Yes,
But
ma'am.
you
It
said
is
something else. You pronounce something else in the beginning. आपने
Lisa,
sorry बोला
ऐसा
था.
कुछ बोला था.
Rosie, but it is Rosie, ma'am.
So you have to pronounce properly. Again, you read. Chalo, read again.
Ma'am, we are going on a school excursions. Rosie ma'am need
No, excursion.
okay, ma'am.
Excursion, nahi, excursion. Yes, continue. Rosie ma'am needs volunteers.
Rosie ma'am
Read.
needs volunteer. Can't you take a holiday from office and volunteer? Hermit's mother always come for excursion because she doesn't
Excursions.
work.
Arey,
Excursions, ma'am.
excursion. Break the word. Break the word and then pronounce. Excursion.
Excursion because
Yes.
she doesn't work.
Hmm.
Sonali,
Sonali,
how can you say that? You know that Jasprit auntie is up at 5 a.m. every day doing all the housework. Yes, but that's not real work. It's just housework. Oh, that's what you think, do you? Let's go over to their house and ask Jasprit what she thinks.
things. Okay. Now it is saying that they are going for a school excursion, so they need volunteers. Rosie ma'am needs volunteers. So it is saying that can't you take a holiday from an office and volunteer? Hermit's mother always comes for excursion. Hermit's mother always comes. So this boy is saying to his mother that you please take a holiday from your office and you come to our excursion for volunteer. Jasprit's mother, Jasprit means Hermit's mother, maybe his friend. Hermit's mother always come for excursion, but you always go in office, so you cannot come. So please, can you take a holiday from your office to join my excursion from school? So Shonali, how can you say that you know? How can you say that you know that Jasprit's auntie is up at, what is the meaning of is up? Wait, say.
To wake
Ma'am,
up.
wake
To
up.
wake up.
She wakes up at 5 a.m. in the morning. Yes, she wakes up at 5 a.m. in the morning every day and doing all kind of household work. Then the boy is saying, no, it is not a work. It is not a work. Oh, that what you think. Then she's saying that you think that it is not a work. Every day, waking up 5 o'clock in the morning and constantly doing all household chores. Household chores means CHORES. Household chores means household work or household activities. It's a different term. So household chore, and you are saying that she's not doing any work. Is it not a work? Okay, let's go to her house and let me ask to Jasprit only that what is she doing? At Singh's house, that is Jasprit Singh's house. Okay, yes.
Ma'am,
Who
I
is
have
reading?
to continue.
Ma'am, can I read second paragraph?
Ma'am, I have to continue it.
No, I have to give chance to someone else. Yes, Vedant.
Yes, ma'am. At the Singh's house. Her son Solani thinks that your wife is not a working person. But isn't that correct, auntie? My mother is a housewife. She does not work. Then Jasprit, why don't you just relax and let them manage everything for a change? Great idea. Okay, I will go on strike tomorrow. Sorry. What fun. We will take care of everything tomorrow with Papa.
But stop. Wait. So they are saying that Jasprit doesn't work at all because she stays at home. She is not a working lady. So whatever she does, that she does in house, in her home. So that is, this type of work is not considered to do any work. It is not a real work. Housework is not considered to be a real work like outside. Okay. So then Jasprit say, fine. One day I am on a leave. So late means Hermit and his father. So let them do the work one day. So I am on a leave. Okay, I will not do tomorrow. Next day I will not do any kind of work. So let them manage and let them do the work. Now the third portion. Next morning, 7:30 a.m.
Ma'am, please, can I read?
Can I read?
Daksh,
Yes, ma'am.
मैं मेरे को दो
Yes, ma'am.
read.
Oh God, look at the time. Where's my breakfast? Why aren't the children ready?
What are you reading, Daksh? I can't hear you properly.
Yes, ma'am. 1 second. Ma'am, now can you hear me?
Your voice is very slow. Too slow.
Ma'am, now?
Ma'am, can I
मैं
You
read?
start.
ब्लूटूथ लगाया मैं हेडफोन
Start.
लगाया लगा
Yes, ma'am. Oh God, look at the time. Where's my breakfast? Why aren't the children ready? How would I know? I am on the strike. Remember, besides, Mangla has also taken leave today. Oh, that's the school bus. I will have to drop them in the car. Hurry, and ask Hermit to switch on the pump.
Okay, stop. So it is saying that next day begin. Okay. So Harmit's mother was on leave. That is strike. Means that day she was not doing anything. Suddenly, Harmit's father said, "Ki, where is my breakfast? And why children are not still ready? Why children are not ready yet? And where is my breakfast?" So suddenly, then she said, "You don't remember? Yesterday I told that today I'm not going to work anymore. Today whole day I am on a leave. I will not do anything. So you all have to manage." But when he was talking to her, suddenly he realized that the bus has gone, the school bus has gone, and the children have missed the school bus. Then he said, "Oh my God, now I have to drop them by my car." And then suddenly he said to Harmeet that please be hurry and switch on the pump. Now the next portion. Yes, Mitwa, read.
Yes, ma'am. But what about the kids' lunch boxes? Oh no, I forgot about that. I will give some money. Just buy something from the canteen today. Ma already gave us money for that. Evening 6 p.m. Ding ding, I accepted. How about some tea? Oh, I forgot your strike. I will make some myself.
Yes. So see what happened. Then his father is saying that you forgot to take your lunch box. So you please manage something to eat from canteen. Then the children said that no, mother has already given us money, so you don't worry about it. So we can manage it. Then in the evening, his father he returned from outside and then said that I am exhausted. I'm very tired. Can I have some tea? Then suddenly he remembered, oh my God, no, I cannot tell her to make tea because today she is on a leave. She will not do anything today. Then he said, okay, I'll manage myself. I'll make for myself. Now next portion. Read Dhara.
Yes,
Dhara,
ma'am.
read.
The house looks like it was hit by a hurricane. Did you expect it to remain in exactly the same condition in which you left it this morning, dear? Hermit, where on earth are the tea leaves? Hey, I wonder if they still believe I don't work. And now I have to remind them that Chacha ji and Chachi ji are coming for dinner.
Coming for dinner. Okay. Then her husband's Harmit's father, he said, oh my God, just look at the condition of the house, as if that it has hit by hurricane. You know what is hurricane? Do you know?
It is like a storm.
Storm. It's a violent storm. That is
Ma'am,
hurricane.
in Indian Ocean, the storm is called hurricane.
Yes, it's a violent and very dangerous storm. That is hurricane. That ये घूमता है ऐसे wind बहुत जोर से and it makes lot of noise. That is hurricane. So by seeing the condition of his house, he said, oh my God, as if that the house has been hit by hurricane, that huge storm, violent storm. Do you expect it to remain in exactly the same condition in which you left it in the morning, dear? Then he said that, do you expect me to leave the same condition? How you have left the house in the morning? Means now he can understand by the evening, this hermit's father have understood how difficult it is to manage the whole day, to take care of everyone. And in spite of that, all are saying that household work is not a work. Now see the first mistake. Children missed the school bus. Second, children did not take the tiffin. Third, maid servant was not there. He couldn't manage his breakfast. Then again what? Forgot to switch on the pump, that is motor. So many things they have missed out. Daksh, what are you searching? What are you finding out? Are you finding out something?
No मैम, I was seeing the pictures.
क्या हो गया?
मैम मैं पिक्चर्स देख रहा था उसके अंदर के.
नहीं पिक्चर मत देखो, पिक्चर देखने आपका ड्राइंग एग्जाम नहीं होगा बेटा. पिक्चर देख के क्या होगा? ये सब आएगा इससे एसएसटी में कि ड्राइंग बनाओ, कैसे वो टिफिन लेना भूल गए थे, कैसे बस मिस कर दिया, ये सब ड्राइंग करने आएगा. ऐसा क्वेश्चन के बाजू में साइंस की तरह क्वेश्चन के नीचे डायग्राम बनाओ, ऐसा आएगा? नहीं ना. तो पिक्चर मत देखो. और आपको थोड़ी ऐसा बोलेंगे कि हरमीत के पापा का पिक्चर बनाओ, पगड़ी बनाओ, ये सब बोलेंगे थोड़ी. तो दे विल डोंट लुक एट द पिक्चर प्लीज. ये तो ऐसे ही है. अभी हम स्टोरी के ऊपर ध्यान. व्हाट इज द समरी ऑफ द स्टोरी? कैन यू टेल मी दक्ष व्हाई दे हैव गिवन दिस स्टोरी? व्हाट इज द समरी ऑफ द स्टोरी एक्चुअली?
Ma'am, that the household work is not easy.
वो तो मैंने बोल दिया. थोड़ा सा और बोलो, थोड़ा सा एक्सप्लेन करो.
Ma'am, in this they are telling that there is a office going woman and a housewife. Then they said that whose work is easy. So then his father worked for the housewife, and then he knows that how hard is the household work.
Yes, correct. How hard it is. Yes, Vedant. Yes.
Yes, ma'am. No work is easy, whether it is office work or household work, or it is done by man or woman.
Yes. No work is easy, and the most important is that we must respect all kinds of work. You understand? We must give importance, dignity, and respect to all kinds of work, whether a men are doing, or whether women are doing, whether a working lady or housewife, whatever. So whatever they are doing, all the types of work should get a lot of respect, importance, and value. That is the most important summary of this story. So at last she said that not only that, servant was not there, and last she added that Chachaji and Chachiji are also coming. That means guests are also coming. So from the very beginning, from the whole throughout the day, his father could not manage a single thing. He could not do a single work properly, perfectly. And in the evening again, he heard the news that guests are also coming. So can you imagine? Only one day, just only one day, he was unable to do something very nicely, properly. He was unable to take care of his housework. And in spite of that, guests are also coming from outside. So he had to prepare something for their guest as well. So that means the lady, those are living at home, I believe personally, they are doing more work than the lady, those are working in the office. And also the lady, those are making the balance between the outside work as well as inside work. You understand? There are so many ladies who work in the office as well as after returning from office, they have to take care of their household work as well. Or before leaving the office in the morning, They have to do all kinds of work and preparation. And then again, after coming back from office, they have to do all kinds of things. So you can understand, children,
Yes, ma'am.
household
Yes,
work
ma'am.
is not so easy.
Yes, ma'am.
It is not, it's a very wrong concept. It is absolutely wrong concept that if the lady is living or staying at home, that means she has ample of time. She has lot of time. She is relaxing and doing the work. It is wrong. The lady who is living at home, she also has some particular time. The lady who is working in the office, she also has some particular time. She also has to finish the work on time. Here also. Now take your example. You are children, you are going to school. Now you are not going to school. But when you used to going to school, then tuition center, your this uniform to arrange your uniform, make it ironed, make it cleaned, everything. Who is taking care? Your mother or some anyone else who is living in your house, means a lady. Father is not doing all this. Father is doing.
No, ma'am.
Father is not doing. So all this work is done by mother only. But there should be no difference. If father wants, father can also do this type of work. It does not mean that father cannot do. It is society, it is human being who has made the differences between the work of father and mother, between the work of man and woman. Okay, valuing housework. Hermit's family did not think that the work Jasprit did within the house was real work. The feeling is not unique to their families. Across the world, the main responsibility for housework and caregiving tasks, like looking after the family, especially children, the elderly and sick members, lies with women. Yet, as we have seen, the work that women do within the home is not recognized as work. It is also assumed that this is something that comes naturally to women. It therefore does not have to be paid for, and society devalues this work. They are not getting any salary. Women are not getting any salary for doing this household work. Why? They are living in a house. It is their work. It is society which has set the rules that this type of work should be done by women only. And those are working in an office, means outside of their house, they are getting the salary. Society thinks that those who are doing in office, oh my God, Daksh, आपके बालों में क्या हुआ है? See the way he was itching. Oh बाप रे, जू हो गया क्या?
नो मैम।
ऐसे बुरी तरह कोई खुजलाता है?
मैम घर में मुझे बहुत खुजली होती है।
हैं?
हाँ।
Anyway, so this type of work, what women are doing outside, they are getting paid, and the women who are doing inside their house, all kinds of work they are doing. Even sometimes they are doing more work than the women who are doing outside in the office. Still, this work is not, there is no importance, there is no value, there is no dignity, no respect for the work, for the women, those who are doing in their houses. That is the main thing. Do you think so, children? Tell me your personal opinion. Share your personal opinion. Say someone. Do you also think so?
Ma'am, but
Say. Do you also think so?
Ma'am, can you please repeat that question because my
Do
network
you
is
also think the same way how society thinks?
No.
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 No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Is it correct or is it wrong? Tell me.
Ma'am,
How
it is
society
wrong.
It is wrong.
It
especially
is
children,
wrong.
right?
Ma'am, because the women are doing all the work for house and we just all are doing, so they all think that they doesn't do anything. But if we do those all the things, we will like, oh my gosh, how many work we have to do.
Yes, exactly. So this is absolutely wrong. Who thinks that housewives are not doing any real work? Actually, they are doing their real work. Actually, they are doing the real work. You understand? Taking care of house, taking care of all the members of the family, from a very young child to aged people, giving medicines, time to time preparing all dishes. This is really not easy task. This is really not easy task. Okay,
Ma'am, can I
they
drink
are
water?
actually doing lot of hard work. Fine. Now the lives of domestic workers. Yes, read please.
Ma'am, can I drink water?
Yes.
Ma'am, you are explaining value housework, because my network issue is there, so I can't able to hear you.
Valuing housework, I have finished. I have discussed.
Okay, ma'am.
Now I am starting lives of domestic workers.
Ma'am, can
Okay,
I
read.
read?
Vedant, please start.
Okay, ma'am. In the story above, Hermit's mother was not the only who did the housework. A lot of work was done by Mangala, their domestic helper. Many homes, particularly in towns and cities, employ domestic workers. They do a lot of work sweeping and cleaning, washing clothes and dishes, cooking, looking after young child or the elderly. Most domestic workers are women. Sometimes even young boys or girls are employed to do this work. Wages are low as domestic workers do not have much value. A domestic work.
Stop, please. So like housewives, there are so many domestic workers. Why they are called domestic workers? They are helping from outside. They are doing this sweeping, mopping, dusting, cleaning, washing dishes and everything. So there are not only this young women are doing this work, even there are many young children, young children, they are also involved in domestic works, in domestic health. They are also helping domestically. Have you seen? Yes, correct. So have you seen young boys, young girls, they are working? Many times, no, what? No, Vedant.
Ma'am,
What?
I
No,
have
I have
seen.
seen
Ma'am,
in
I
a
have
tea
seen so
stall.
many times.
I have seen in a tea stall that this young boy, they are serving tea, they are washing utensils. Yes, that is called child labor, which has banned actually nowadays, it is illegal. It's a kind of
Ma'am,
illegal act. Child
ma'am,
labor is an illegal act.
ma'am, it is
None,
illegal.
no shop, no restaurant, no any other can hire any child for doing this such of work. This type of work they cannot do. They cannot force any child to do this type of work. So, but still we can see some of the shops.
See, my sister has made the drawing.
Sorry.
Stop child labor.
Wow, very good. Yes. Very good. So it is still there in some of the places, some of restaurants, in some of the stall, we can see they have hired child, they have hired 2-3 children, and they are forcing these children to work. You can see a lot of videos also, you can watch many videos where you can see child labor.
Yes, ma'am.
So these are the things. You can say most domestic workers are women. Sometimes even young boys or girls are employed to do this work. So young girls and young boys, you can see that they are also doing some work. Especially, I'll tell you that, have you seen any construction where the construction is going on? Construction of a building.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am, my father
So you
is
can
doing
see
the
so many children of Mason के जो बच्चे होते हैं, they are also helping. Instead of studying, instead of going to school, they are helping their parents in bringing the sand, stones, bricks, all this thing. They are also helping in some other way. Have you seen this?
Yes,
It's real.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. I have
Real
seen.
thing. If you see any construction site somewhere where the building construction is going on, and they are this parents, means young man and young woman, they are supplying this stone chips, then stone, sand, cement, and all these things. Even their children, they are also involved in this type of work. So that is a kind of child labor. They are helping without studying, without getting education, without going to school. They are doing all these things. It is wrong and illegal actually. So these are the things going on in our society only. Yes, Vedant, continue please.
Yes, ma'am. A domestic worker day can begin as early as 5 in the morning and end as late as 12 at night. Despite the hard work they do, their employers often do not show them much respect. This is what Milani, a domestic worker, had to say about her experience of working in Delhi. My first job was with a rich family that lived in storied house. The mem sahib was very
Three-floor house. So they are saying that they are working so hard. They are working from 5 in the morning till 12 o'clock, 12 at night. After working so hard also, Jia, do you have any problem with your fingers?
No, ma'am. Ma'am, you are stuck.
मैम यू आर मैम आपकी स्क्रीन ब्लैक ब्लैक हो गई है
Ma'am, you are stuck.
Ma'am, your voice is not audible.
Then move your,
मैम बाय
wait. Move your fingers from there, please. Constantly you are showing your fingers. Why? I've been noticing for the last 10 minutes. Anyone told you to show your fingers and Mandy?
No, ma'am, I want to drink water, so I'm covering like this.
I told you that time, yes, you can drink water. You asked me, I told you.
Okay, ma'am.
Or Mitwa asked, I do not know. Whatever it is. So you ask, constantly you're showing your hand and finger. Yes, Vedant.
yes ma'am the mem sahib was very strange as she would shout to get any work done my
Ajay,
work was
sorry, I'm just interrupting Vedant just a second. Yes, I was saying that, yes, these workers, they work from morning till 12 at night, but after doing constant hard work, they still get very low wages. What is wages? Daily payment. Okay, daily payment, what they're getting, they get very low amount of money. So means they are working so hard, they're working for money only, but still they are not getting proper amount of money. So that is their poor condition actually, poor condition of their life. Okay, now continue please. My first job.
Ma'am.
Vedant,
Ma'am,
read. Yes, what happened here?
in between
मैम आपने अभी जो बताया कि वो उनको रोज की सैलरी मीन्स जो काम करते वो दे देते, तो वो इसलिए देते ना कि पता नहीं होता कि अगर दूसरे दिन उनको जॉब छोड़नी भी पड़ती है, वो टेम्पररी होते हैं।
जॉब छोड़ देंगे?
मैम वो टेम्पररी होते हैं, इसलिए उनको रोज रोज फीस देता है ना।
ऐसा नहीं होता है
मैम
जब
लास्ट
एक
टाइम
बार वो
हमें ऐसा
एंगेज हो
बताया।
जाते हैं, एक बार कंस्ट्रक्शन में, एक बार जब उनको कॉन्ट्रैक्ट मिल गया है तो वो करेंगे ही. They are also working for money. Try to understand. They are also working for money. They could be paid little high wages. They can be paid, but they are not getting. Employers are not paying them. Understood? It is not that they will leave. If they are leaving also, so they will hire another person. To them also they will pay low amount. It is the same thing. This is about mentality. They are not paying a great amount of money to them, but they are what they want their hard work. They want
Yes,
them
ma'am.
to work hard, but in spite of that, they are not paying their proper amount of wages. Yes,
Because
Vedanta.
in sixth, we in urban administration, we have learned that some workers are temporary and they get the fees of their day work.
These employees are temporary
And they get ma'am fees all for one day of the work, and because the person who hired them is not final that at another day will come to job or not.
tell me
In
why they are
sixth class,
temporary. Why they are not permanent?
ma'am,
Why they are
because
temporary?
यस मैम मैं वही बता रही हूँ मैम बिकॉज जिसने उनको बुलाया है जिसने उनको कॉन्ट्रैक्ट दिया है वो उसका फाइनल नहीं रहता अगर उसका काम खत्म हो जाता है तो वो दूसरा दिन उसको ऐसा भी बता सकता है कि अब तुम्हारा काम हो गया यू हैव टू लीव एंड वी हैव टू लीव मैम इन
तो वो
सिक्स्थ
तो कॉन्ट्रैक्ट ही ऐसा होता है कि काम उसको दिया, they said that you have to work for this many days. For these many days you have to work. That is the thing. Now they cannot be permanent because suppose if one construction is going on here, so after finishing obviously the whole thing will shift to somewhere else.
यस मैम
Once suppose in your area one construction is going on, so once it will finish, then they will start construction some other area. So obviously this work is not permanent. But listen, these employee can be permanent if they are getting proper amount of money according to their work. They can be permanent. They can be called to different site, but they will not call or they will not come. If someone is very bound to work, they will only go. Someone who is very needy, they will only go. You understand? Because they have no other option to work. They are not educated. They cannot work in office. And maybe they are not willing to do household work in someone else's work, in other houses. They cannot do the work of a maid servant. That is why with the low age wages also, they are involved in this type of work. And temporary because this construction work is only temporary. वो एक जगह में नहीं होता है. एक जगह होगा खत्म हो जाएगा फिर दूसरा जगह जाएगा. But ये employees जो हैं, ये सारे जो employees जो हैं, ये एक जगह खत्म करके दूसरे जगह में जा सकता है. They can also go, they can also continue. You understand?
Yes,
Temporary
ma'am.
means in that site, in that construction, it is temporary. Suppose after 6 months, the work will finish. Then after 6 months, they will shift to other area. This
Yes,
work
ma'am,
is only
understand.
temporary. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
Read
ma'am.
Vedant.
Yes, ma'am. My first job was with a rich family that lived in a 3-storied house. The mem sahib was very strange as she would shout to get any work done. My work was in the kitchen. There were 2 other girls who did the cleaning. Our day would begin at 5 o'clock for breakfast. We would get a cup of tea and 2 dry rotis. We could never get a third roti. In the evening, when I cooked the food, the 2 other girls would beg me to give them an extra roti. I would secretly give it to them and make an extra one for myself also. We were so hungry after working through the day. We could not wear chappals in the house. In the winter, our feet would swell up with the cold. I used to feel scared of the mem sahib, but also felt angry and humiliated. Did we not work all day? Did we not deserve to be treated with some respect?
See, it is really a kind of insulting. They were not getting proper food. They were hungry. That is why secretly they used to make rotis for other servants and for herself. She used to work, she used to take care all the kitchen work. So other 2 servants were also there. So all 3 of them were hungry. So other 2 servants used to tell her, used to requested her that please, whenever you are making roti, you please make extra roti for ourselves. So in this way, she used to make extra roti for them as well as 1 or 2 extra roti for herself as well. So you can understand this is called a kind of domestic torture, domestic violation. Okay, it is a kind of domestic violation or domestic torture, you can
Yes,
say.
ma'am.
Men-
Yes, ma'am.
yes, mental torture. They have hired these 3 servants. They were making them done so many kinds of work, and they started their work from very early in the morning. That's from 5 o'clock, I think. Yes, 5 o'clock. Throughout the day, they used to work, and in return, what they got in return? Not
A
even a
cup of
proper
tea and 2 dry rotis.
dry rotis, only 2, and there was no chance to ask for the extra for the third one. There was no space. This owner of the house was so rude, you know. The owner of the house was so rude, so inhuman that they could not ask for the third roti in vain. So they always went on hungry. Always went on hungry, and that is the reason they secretly made this 3 or 4 extra rotis for their eating. You understand? So sometimes
Yes,
it
ma'am.
might
Yes, ma'am.
that people bound to do some wrong work because they are not getting enough space to speak out or enough freedom. When the person is not getting enough freedom, then only he tends to do wrong work. See, secretly they were making roti. This is wrong. This was actually wrong. They were making roti secretly because all the things belong to that woman, that owner of the house. सब कुछ वो ला रही है. Okay, he used to bring everything, but this Melanie, she used to make rotis secretly, extra rotis. This was actually wrong, but she had no other option. She had no other option. Secretly, she had to do because she always went hungry. Because of this reason, because of these 3 servants, these 3 maid servants, she used to make extra roti without informing her this owner of the family, owner of the. Understood? This was a
Yes,
scenario
ma'am. Understood.
for making them doing lot of work.
Yes, ma'am.
Were
Understood.
not giving proper food to eat, and without proper food, obviously we do not get energy. We cannot work also properly. So this was called mental torture, or you can say domestic violation. Next,
Ma'am, can I read?
Dia read.
Yes, ma'am. In fact, what we commonly term as housework actually involves many different tasks. A number of these tasks require heavy physical work. In both rural and urban areas, women and girls have to fetch water. In rural areas, women and girls carry heavy head loads of firewood. Tasks like washing clothes, cleaning, sweeping, and picking up loads require bending, lifting, and carrying. Many chores, like cooking, involve standing for long hours in front of hot stoves. The work women do is strenuously and physical demanding, words that we normally associate with men.
Stop. Okay. Now see, it is saying that doing all these household work, household activities, this hard work, it requires a lot of hard work also. See, taking this pots of water, then carrying this firewood on their head, this this work really require a lot of physical strength. Yes or no? Tell me. And then fetching water from the well or from a river, from hand pump. These also you needs lot of physical efforts. आपको काफी physical effort देना होता है. So it is saying that, so means that if you are not getting proper food, proper nutritious, how can you do this type of work? Your whole day you are doing lot of work and not getting proper food, so you cannot get the proper strength in fact. So these they are saying that it is not that women are not doing any kind of work. Lot of women, many women, they are doing lot of physical activities than men. Very true example, that standing constantly in front of the hot stoves. Okay, standing constantly in front of hot stoves. Now, see children, nowadays we can see this induction oven. Nowadays we have seen, we can cook on induction oven. But before that, we used to work on a gas stove, a simple stove, or kerosene stove. And it gives lot of heat. We get lot of heat from all this stove. Yes or no? Now
Yes,
we
ma'am.
cook in a microwave oven or induction oven. Nowadays it has invented. But before that, even your mother, your grandmother, your grandparents, they have cooked in a gas only. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, Dwanit is messaging me that to tell you that join him. मैम ध्वनित कह रहा है उसे मीटिंग के अंदर लो ना.
It is only 1 minute is left. But ध्वनित का एडमिट ही नहीं हो रहा, तो मैं ज्वाइन कहाँ से करूँ उसको? He is not admitting.
Okay, ma'am.
I cannot see. Once I see, I will admit. But it is just only 1 minute is left.
Ma'am, but
Still, if I can see him, that yes. Okay. I have admitted. A lot of strength and physical demand is required for doing all this type of work, whether it is bringing water from river or pushing the hand pump to get water, carrying firewood on the head, or lifting up some heavy object. So all these things require a lot of strength and physical fitness as well. Otherwise, and energy, the most important, energy. So it is not that only men are doing all this type of hard work. Women are equally doing, not equally, even more than men they are doing. Understood?
Yes,
Clear?
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Clear, ma'am.
Now see children, if you get any question from this chapter till the paragraph I taught you, can you write the answers or can you explain the answer orally or writing? Can you write the answers on your own?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. We
Yes,
can.
ma'am.
Yes,
I
ma'am.
asked you to explain. Can you explain also orally?
Yes.
मैम आपने अभी पढ़ना मेरे में क्या करवाया मैम मेरा नेटवर्क इशू था तो मैं ज्वाइन नहीं हो पा रहा था.
बेटा अभी क्लास खत्म हो गया है. I am signing off now.
ओके मैम.
So I taught you till page 50, first paragraph. Page 50, first paragraph. Next class, that is on Saturday, I'll finish the chapter.
Ma'am,
Only 2
Thursday.
paragraphs are left.
Ma'am, actually Thursday, not Saturday.
Today is
Saturday,
only
yes.
Thursday.
Eighth
No
standard is
Saturday?
waiting for you.
No, actually, ma'am, I thought that today is Tuesday.
You don't have any class on Saturday?
Ma'am, we
Ma'am,
have.
we have.
So why he is telling we don't have any class?
Ma'am, I said that I thought that it is Tuesday today.
Saturday, I will finish this chapter, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, chalo. Bye for now. See you on
Bye,
Saturday.
ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.